Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the Lenovo XT80 sports wireless headphones. These Bluetooth 5.3 earphones are a game changer when it comes to your workout and music experience. Let me tell you why. First off, the Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures fast and stable signal transmission, along with clear sound quality and low power consumption. This means you get to enjoy your music without any skips or distortion, and a much more immersive sound experience. Not only that, these headphones are IPX5 waterproof, making them perfect for intense workouts and outdoor activities. You can sweat it out at the gym or go for a run in the rain without having to worry about damaging your headphones. The ergonomic earhoop design provides both comfort and stability, with customizable accessories to fit your ears perfectly. And with the charging case providing up to 40 hours of continuous music time, these headphones are the perfect companion for sports and travel. But that's not all. These headphones also come with control buttons, allowing you to play and pause music, adjust the volume, answer calls, and activate voice control with just a simple operation on the headphones. In the box, you'll find two Bluetooth headphones, a charging case, a USB cable, a user manual, and 3 different sizes of headphone cups, making sure everyone gets the perfect fit. And the best part? We ship within 24 hours of your purchase, and our products are 100% genuine Lenovo with a guarantee. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Lenovo XT80 sports wireless headphones today, and take your music and workout experience to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. See you next time.